Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're bringing you what we consider the best Valentine's Day boxes of the season. The 12 Sets Valentine's Day Gift Basket from Ragnhild. These charming gift baskets are more than just packaging. They're a full-on presentation experience for your Valentine's Day, wedding, anniversary, or themed party needs. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the package, you'll find 12 beautifully designed gift baskets, each crafted from durable, thick cardboard and finished with built-in handles. They're not flimsy throwaways. These feel sturdy and can easily hold everything from cookies and chocolates to small toys or skincare products. The cardboard is printed in red and pink hues with heart motifs and subtle line designs that scream Valentines without being overly gaudy. The inside is just as polished, with smooth, clean finishes that don't distract from whatever you place inside. Now, the real magic happens when you put the whole presentation together. Each set includes a heart-printed cellophane bag, one per basket, that adds a transparent, glossy layer to showcase your gifts inside while keeping everything neatly enclosed. You also get 12 pull bow ribbons in 3 different colors that really bring out the romantic feel. Once the gift is nestled into the basket, you just tie it all up with the provided twist ties and you have a ready-to-go package that looks like it came from a boutique gift shop. The dimensions are very practical. The top measures about 9.8 inches by 6.7 inches. The bottom is a slightly smaller 7.3 by 5.5 inches, and the height of each basket is 3.5 inches. That's enough space to fit a variety of items. Perfect if you're curating personalized baskets for guests, students, coworkers, or family. As far as usability goes, these are not just cute, they're functional. You can fill them with baked goods, beauty samples, candy assortments, or small keepsakes. The cellophane helps protect the contents, while the baskets provide the base support. So whether you're setting up a Valentine's Day booth, organizing a school party, or hosting a romantic dinner, these baskets elevate the atmosphere with minimal effort. What's also worth mentioning is the visual impact. When you see all 12 assembled and lined up, matching, colorful, and ready for gifting, it creates a vibrant, heartwarming display. They don't just hold your gifts, they become part of the decoration, adding charm to any setting. And let's not forget versatility. Although themed for Valentine's Day, these baskets can be repurposed for anniversaries, bridal showers, engagement parties, or even springtime events that embrace pink and red color palettes. So, if you're looking for a well-rounded, high-quality gift basket kit that saves you time while still offering a polished, festive look, the 12 Sets Valentine's Day Gift Basket by Ragnhild really delivers. It's affordable, complete, and adorable, and easily earns its place as our pick for the best Valentine's Day boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product breakdowns just like this one. See you in the next review.